my name is Ethan Wiles, and today we are going to be doing experiment 2.3 on carbon dioxide and the greenhouse effect. The introduction states, carbon dioxide is what environmental scientists call a greenhouse gas. This means it traps energy in the form of light. In the greenhouse effect, greenhouse gases trap energy being radiated out from the earth. In this experiment, you will observe carbon dioxide trapping energy coming in from the sun. Now, make sure you have all your supplies. A thermometer. It must at least read from slightly lower to room temperature to slightly higher than room temperature. It can be the same thermometer used in experiment 2.1. A large, clear plastic bag, like a Ziploc bag. It needs to be large enough so that the thermometer can be zipped or sealed shut inside it. A sunny windowsill, or you can just put it outside. If it's not sunny today, then just wait until it is. A bottle, some vinegar, some baking soda, a teaspoon, and eye protection such as goggles or safety glasses. Now, if you have all your ingredients and supplies, let's get started. First, we make sure the Ziploc bag is open. Then you will want to fill it with air. Do this by holding the bag wide open with the open side facing down. Then raise the bag as high as you can and quickly lower it. Then put the thermometer inside and zip it closed. Now you should have a Ziploc bag inflated with air with a thermometer inside. Next, place the bag on a sunny windowsill or outside. Make sure you can look through it and see the thermometer. Now, once you've done that, allow it to sit in the sun for 15 minutes. Now that you have let the thermometer and the bag sit in the sun for around 15 minutes, first you check and see what the temperature on the thermometer is. In my case, it's at 26. Then write that down. 26. 26 degrees Celsius for me. Okay, then open the bag and remove the thermometer. Place the thermometer in a safe place, or just somewhere where, in a safe place while you prepare the next part of the experiment. Fill the bottle about 1/3 of the way with vinegar. Once you have filled the bottle about 1/3 of the way with vinegar, measure out a teaspoon of baking soda. Measure out 1 teaspoon of baking soda and add it to the vinegar. The contents of the bottle will begin to bubble. It will tell you that a gas is being formed. That gas is carbon dioxide. Then wait for 2 to 3 minutes, and that will allow carbon dioxide to push air out of the bottle. Once you have let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes, repeat step number 5. I've already repeated step 5. Once you've repeated it, measure out another teaspoon of baking soda, but this time keep it in the spoon. Once you've measured out another teaspoon of baking soda, make sure you did not pour it in. And make sure open the bag and then press all the air and press it flat to remove the air from it. Then Add the baking soda to the vinegar and quickly hold the Ziploc bag over the opening of the bottle. Don't worry if you drop some of the baking soda outside of the bottle. This requires speed more. Now allow this to continue until the bubbling slows down significantly. Now, although the bag will not be inflated after the bubbling has significantly stopped, although the bag won't be inflated very much, it will have some carbon dioxide in it. Now, carefully lift the bag off the bottle and put the thermometer in the bag, then zip it closed. Now, go to the windowsill and place the bag in the same position as you did in part A of the experiment. Then allow it to sit for 15 minutes. Once you have allowed the thermometer in the bag to sit for 15 minutes, then check the temperature and see what it's at. For me, it's at 31 degrees Celsius. Then, once you've checked the temperature and written it down, clean up any mess you made,